Are you helping Mommy? Or when you want to put that in there for me? Just pour in the sugar, okay? It's okay, I'll hold this. Just pour in the sugar. Good girl. Okay, I'll take that back. Thank you. Can you stir it with the sugar in? Kaylin, what are you doing? Are you stirring? You're helping Mommy make brownies?
Daddy?
Are you making it for Daddy?
Daddy?
You're making brownies for Daddy? What? Oh, you want me to stir? Okay. Are you making it for Daddy? You want it? Okay. Dump the flour in. Okay, good girl. I'll take that back.
Daddy?
Are you making it for Daddy? What are you making?
Daddy?
What are you making? Say brownies. Can you say brownies?
Daddy?
You're such a good helper, Kaylin. Don't stick your fingers in there. That's dirty. Do you want to say hi to the camera? Kaylin, want to say hi to the camera? Say hi. Say hi to Grandpa and Grandma. Want to say hi? Want to blow kisses? Blow a kiss. Oh, you're so sweet. What? Are you helping still? You don't need to stick your head in there, Goofy. Here, just go like this. Scrape full and pour it in. You got some on your face. Look it. Got some on your face. Goofy. Okay, we're all done. We're all done. Yay! Now we get to put it in the oven. What, you got your hand dirty? Want me to get you a napkin? Here, sweetie. Here's a wipey. Good girl, all done. Want to say bye-bye to the camera? Want to say bye? Say bye to the camera. Say bye to Grandma and Grandpa. They're going to watch this. Say bye. You don't want to say anything? Kaylin. You don't want to say bye? Bye, Kaylin. Bye. Clean it up with your wipey. Thank you. Want to say bye?